Hey guys, Maggietorials here. I just wanted to show you how I created this shark bite on my leg. So first of all, I line the bite marks that I want, and then I'm going to create little balls of scar wax that is actually designed for my skin color. And with a palette knife, I'm going to smooth out the edges, making sure it is as seamless as possible. If you would like to know the recipe for this scar wax that I made, leave a comment below, and once I get 10 comments, I will create a video for you guys. I'm just going to try to make this as seamless as possible. I do dip my palette knife in Vaseline to kind of mold the scar wax onto my skin better. Don't use too much because then your scar wax will turn into Vaseline and it won't last and it will fall off. Now this injury that I'm creating is not going to be like a permanent thing. It does not last very long, so it's very good for like short videos or photography. Don't try running around in it, and it's definitely not for Halloween. It won't last all day. As you can see, I am taking my time blending that out. It does take a little bit of time. Anyway, so after I covered each of my bite marks that I made, blending in well, I'm gonna cut the shape that I want the bite to be. So I just cut off, I take a little bit of the volume, and you can see that it does have volume, so it is quite 3D. And I just take out a chunk, and I kind of make it, I just want it to make it look like kind of a nasty bite. It doesn't have to be perfect because a bite is not gonna be perfect. So anyways, I just kind of go cutting through each one. So now that I've cleaned up and smoothed out the bite marks, I'm going to grab a napkin with texture to kind of give texture to the skin, make it look more natural, and also remove the excess oil from the Vaseline. Then I'm going to grab a rough paintbrush, and with powdered pigments and alcohol, I'm going to create a more realistic skin color. The alcohol actually makes it dry matte, so it tends to look a little bit more realistic. And then I'm going to grab some more rusty type colors, fill in the bottom just to kind of give it more depth. Just kind of painting, making a little bit of bruising and natural inflammation, what it would look like in real life. And every time I get close up, you'll see that I added a little bit more color. I'm not going to go into depth too much about the paint job because this is a short video, and in another video I might explain that later. Let me know in the comments below and I will try to help you out if you want to know more details. So after I do the paint job that I like, I'm just going to add a little bit of fake blood. If you would like to know, this is my own recipe. If you would like to know the recipe of this fake blood as well, let me know in the comments below and I will try to make a video for you guys and help you out. I just try to make sure it's not too pinky or too purpley to make it look more natural. Very, the more natural colors are very rusty, as you'll find. Anyway, so I just kind of add more, kind of remove a little bit, maybe wipe it off a little bit, trying to figure out what looks more natural. You just kind of go playing around till you kind of figure it out. Just try not to add too much blood because it'll look like you're trying to hide any edges that you might have done badly. If you did enjoy this video, shoot me a like and let me know in the comments so that I can create more videos like this. Anyways, guys, have an awesome day. Stay colorful.